Good morning, friends. In this video, you are going to learn about the scheduling techniques. As you can imagine, we cannot cover all the techniques. We'll be touching upon a few techniques which many people follow. The first technique is fixed scheduling. Fixed scheduling is very simple, what we see in daily life. We have an appointment, we we plan our day according to that, and then we go to that appointment. It's a fixed scheduling. Similarly, a work is assigned, a work is has to be completed within this time span, so somebody works on it. It's the simple, straightforward, fixed scheduling. The other type of scheduling that we see mostly in the software industry is the iterative scheduling with a backlog. You might have heard of an agile way of working where the entire duration is divided into 2 week sprints or 3 week sprints. It's nothing but dividing them into divide the entire duration into small blocks. And then we have a backlog where all the user stories are captured. Product owner will prioritize the items in the backlog, and we pick the item with the highest priority for the next sprint. We refine that. They are called user stories. We refine that user story, have all the information that is needed to start that work, and then when the sprint comes, we pick that work. The work is divided into manageable fragments that could be completed within one sprint. It is ideal not to have one story split into multiple sprints. So divide them into small chunks that are manageable within that sprint, complete it, and then move on to the next priority item, and then the next priority item. A set of resources will be allocated, and they start picking the user stories and completing them. And then we have different terminologies for agile way of working that we will learn later. So this is the type of scheduling called iterative scheduling, used for an adaptive environment where things change. The next type of scheduling is the on-demand scheduling. Let's say we are working in a support kind of an environment where we don't have a backlog as such. There could be a backlog, but what is important is to meet the customer's need. So a ticket gets raised and the resource will be allocated to that ticket, again based on the priority of that ticket. So we don't know what's going to come up. Similarly, we have Uber services who work on the on-demand scheduling. When a request comes for a ride, then a driver is allocated. We have the hospital system where when a patient comes, then whatever is needed is provided. So it's called the on-demand scheduling. Similarly, there are many other kinds of scheduling. I encourage you to explore them, but what I explained in this video is the type of scheduling that is mostly used. Thank you.